Hi everyone, welcome to the Roadscape V3 tutorial series, and let's see how you can install Roadscape V3. So once you have purchased Roadscape, you can go to your Blender Market account, and when you click on your profile, you have orders. You can click onto orders, and you have a list of your orders. So from here, you will see Roadscape appearing here, and you can simply download it. Okay, so once you have downloaded Roadscape, you will be greeted with this zip file, Roadscape V3. So you want to extract it. So I have 7-zip. You can extract it with something else. Once you have extracted it, you have a folder which is Addon, Roadscape V3 asset library, and this copyright thing. So what you want to do, you want to copy the Roadscape V3 asset library folder into your asset library folder of Blender, okay? So if you don't have this set up already, check on Google, YouTube. There are countless of tutorials on how to set up an asset library for Blender. And so once you have set up your asset library folder, you just have to paste the Roadscape V3 asset library folder into that folder, and it should be it. Now we have both of these add-ons that we will install manually into Blender. So you start Blender. Okay, you go to Edit, Preference, Add-ons, this little arrow up there, Install from Disk. You go to your Roadscape folder, the one you just downloaded, Add-ons, and let's first install the Performance Mode add-on. All right, it is done, good. And now we can install the other. Let's go back to download again, Roadscape add-on, UV operator, install from disk. Let's go. And so we can close this, and we can see if we go into the item tab of the end menu, we can see we have disable extra generators. This is the performance add-on. And we have a Roadscape tab, which is UV settings, Roadscape UV operator. So there will be more information on what are the roles of both of these add-ons in next and dedicated videos. The goal of this video is not to showcase this. So this is how you can install Roadscape, guys, and I'll see you in the next video on how to actually use it. Thank you.